Infants 6 months and younger are being hospitalized with COVID at higher rates than at any point previously during the pandemic. That's according to the CDC in a new report.
Yeah, not good. KRON 4's Haaziq Madyun spoke with a Stanford Health pediatric pulmonary specialist about what parents need to know.
There is a new CDC report on COVID-19 associated hospitalization rates of infants 6 months and younger. The report focuses on COVID-19 and the subsequent variants, Delta and Omicron, during the pandemic among infants too young to be immunized against the virus.
And the observation that's getting a lot of attention is that in the most recent viral variant, there was an increased incidence of hospitalization in children less than 6 months.
Pediatric pulmonologist at Stanford's Children's Health, Dr. David Cornfield, on the medical significance of the report's findings.
The relative severity of the disease was not increased. So while there were more kids hospitalized, those kids that were needing higher levels of support, ICU care, mechanical ventilation, that percentage of children was not increased over the prior two variants that were analyzed.
Dr. Cornfield says one probable explanation for these results are mothers being vaccinated.
There's probably some component of passive immunity that moms who have been immunized give to their children, and that likely will decrease the level of severity for these kids.
He says the likely increase in children 6 months and younger being hospitalized for COVID likely boils down to the relaxing of pandemic-related social norms in the community.
And that is that people are not so socially isolated any longer, and we're interacting more. And most people have, across our country, have really discarded the idea of using masks.
That said, the question is it safe for the pregnant mom or the parent of an infant child to attend the upcoming holiday gatherings?
I'm not suggesting that people be cavalier and go around sick folks, but I do think that it's okay to feel safe to celebrate with your family, recognizing that the overwhelming majority of kids who are less than 6 months old do not get COVID.
Haaziq Madyun, KRON 4 News.